City departments are preparing for the upcoming winter weather. With freezing temperatures and snow in the forecast, street crews are gearing up for 24-hour operations to keep roads safe.
We've loaded all of our spreaders up, making sure that our equipment has our neoprene blades on it to where if we do have to scrape the road, we're not messing up the pavement, as well as making sure that we have all of the equipment to where the diesel won't gel up in there. Just waiting on the weather to come.
As the storm approaches, many employees will be working to keep essential services running no matter how low the temperature drops.
With impending weather, we're readjusting some schedules to make sure that our linemen and other staff are available to prioritize restoration if there is a localized outage.
Denton Water Utilities is also taking proactive steps with staff prepared to stay on site if needed.
So right now we have our admin staff is securing all of our facilities with food and sleeping arrangements should staff get snowed in or need to stay around the clock. Our water treatment facilities and wastewater treatment facility are set up to handle any of the colder temperatures, and we have all the materials and equipment we need should any emergencies arise.
While the weather may bring its challenges, the city is doing everything they can to stay ahead. In Denton, I'm Kimberly Barroteran.